plan to explain how to use in time voice on time. On time is equal to punctual. If someone asks you to do something on a specific time and you do that work on time, that is punctual. You won't miss to do that. If someone asks you to bring that thing which is necessary for that person to give someone, so you will bring that thing to your friend or someone who asked you to do. So then you are on punctual time to do this thing. You are on time. So you did that work on time, punctual time. That is where we can use this word punctual, on time. You do something on right time. At the time something is supposed to begin. My car won't start. My car won't start. I won't be able to get to work on time. So because of this person car is not starting, so this person car will not start. Because of that, he will not able to get to his work on time. Usually he is on time to his work, on time to get to his work. So because of his car is not starting, so his car is not if the car had started, he would have reached his work on time as usual. But because his car is not started, his car doesn't start at the moment, because of that he will not able to get to his work on time as he does. So it is not possible. He will be late now. He is not on right time now. He is not on time now. He is late. He will be late now because his car is not working, doesn't start. That's why. And next example, I have scheduled the meeting for 5 p.m. Please arrive on time. This person has set the meeting time for 5 p.m. and he asked the people to arrive on time so that he will not delay to start his meeting. So he will start on time, on right time. What time that he has mentioned? 5 o'clock, 5 p.m. to 5 p.m. he asked the people to arrive on time so that he will start his meeting on right time. It won't be late after that. It won't take longer if it starts at 5 p.m. as he mentioned. So everybody will asking to come on right time. Being on time is extremely important for a job interview. Being on time is extremely important for a job interview. So during job interview, the person who needs to give interview, he has to be at right time. He has to present himself on time so that he will not be late. So he will get off of the marks before he starts to give his interview, because these things and everything matters a lot in during interview. So they will check those things. They observe, they notice what time the candidate has arrived for the interview, whether he is on punctual, whether he is on time to give interview. Those things matters a lot. So when this person is on right to give interview, so it will important for a job interview. That is what they are telling. So everything is important. They check verbal, non-verbal, discipline, how this person is. If the person has arrived or late, then they think, then the interview starts to think that if the person is too late to give interview, then how he will do work in the future. So they start to think, they consider about those things. So interviewer candidate must be on time, punctual time. He presents himself at right time to give interview. And next one, in time is equal to before it is too late. In time is equal to before it is too late. I got stuck in a traffic jam and I couldn't make it in time to the airport. I lost my flight. So this person got stuck in traffic jam. Because of that, he couldn't reach the airport in time. So it's too late to catch his flight. So he has lost his flight to catch. By the time that this person has reached the airport, the flight has already taken off from the ground. That is what it means. So now he has lost his flight because he got stuck in jam, couldn't make it in time. He couldn't reach the airport in time to catch the flight. That is what it means. And next one, I did not arrive on time, but the train was delayed, so I made it in time to catch it anyway. So even though this person has not arrived on time, even though he came late, but still he catch the train in time because the train was also delayed, the train was also late, so that he had time to catch that train because he was also late. This person also came late since the train that which this person has to catch, the train was also delayed, came late, so that he is luckily catch and he made it in time to catch it anyway, but still he catch the train. And next one, she tried to commit suicide, but luckily I got there in time to keep her from doing so. This lady tried to commit suicide. So before it's getting too late, this person went there and saved her life. So if this person hadn't gone in the right time, this lady could have committed suicide. But before something is happened, something bad happened, this person, luckily, this person also got her place, and he saved her from doing so, to committing that things. He helped her, he saved her life for doing such bad things. He helped to save her life. So if the person didn't go, she could have committed suicide herself. So in time, because of in time, this person arrived in time. If this person arrived too late, then no use. Since he has arrived in time, because of that, he saved her life for doing so. I hope you understand this, how to use in time, wise, on time. Thank you. Bye for now.